What's up, y'all? Welcome to week 4 of the Oral Report, July 20th to July 26th, 2025. Now let's stop pretending we're coasting through July. We're in the thick of it now. And this week, it's romantic chaos, emotional shocks, and a new moon that doesn't ask for permission. It demands a fucking rebirth. So, if you're ready for the karmic, cosmic, rip your chest open and rebuild from the ashes kind of astrology, well, strap in. Because this week is not for the weak-willed or emotionally constipated. So let's get to it!
Cookie cutter pie, fuck a pan. 3D printer Glock, couple band. Disappear, see it in my hand. Legal shooter, make them overstand. Half court, full court, state court, magistrate court, beat the light. Nigga, who is you? Cause I forgot hit the booth and I go cool, cock a ride.
Alright. Transit breakdown. July 20th, Moon conjunct Uranus and Gemini. You ever get hit with a wave of emotion so fast you don't even know if you're crying, panicking, or just glitching in real time? Yeah, that's this. The first time the Moon and Uranus meet in Gemini in over a century. Now that's major. That's cellular, that is ancestral. Gemini rules the mind. The Moon rules your emotional body. Uranus is the wild card. Expect sudden emotional outbursts, nervous system overload, conversations that turn into confessions or confrontations. You might say too much or nothing at all. You might feel like your brain is short-circuiting. It is. Let it. You're downloading truth faster than your ego can process. Alright? July 21st. Mars conjunct the South Node, Mars square Venus, and the Moon conjunct Venus at the same time. At the same time, do it at the same time. Read that again. That's 3 major transits in one damn day. Mars, action, rage, and passion. Venus, love, desire, and value. South Node, karma, past lives, the crap you said you healed, but you really didn't. This is a relationship reckoning. Okay? Not just with other people, but with yourself. This is the moment where the pattern you swore you broke reappears. The ex you never got closure from shows up out of nowhere. Or your current situationship starts shaking like a Jenga tower over an earthquake. Okay? Mars square Venus. Now that's tension between what you want and what you actually fucking need. Mars on the South Node, the karma comes due. Okay? Moon conjunct Venus, that's soft feelings and a hard truth. It's not all doom, but it's real. Let the false connections fall. Let the real ones deepen. Let the love, actual love, take center stage. July 22nd. Sun enters Leo. It's Leo season, baby. Y'all been waiting for this. Y'all ready for this? Dun, 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 dun. Now this is a vibe shift. The sun moves out of Cancer, aka crying over childhood wounds, and into Leo. It's home turf. Leo is big energy, heart forward, unapologetic. This is the main character energy everybody on the internet keeps chasing, but now it's real and it's earned. You've been through the emotional trenches. You've had your nervous system fried. Cook steak like chef head ass. Step the fuck up. Lead with truth. Speak from the chest, lil' ass. Love with both hands open. Leo energy isn't here to entertain, it's here to embody. July 24th. New moon in Leo. This is the moment. Okay? It's trying to retrograde Saturn and Neptune in Aries. It's opposite Pluto in Aquarius. And it's happening early in Leo, aka the spark point. Okay? This new moon doesn't say manifest your dream life. It says burn what isn't true and build what is. You're starting something real here. Creative pursuits rooted in soul, not ego. Relationships born from depth, not validation. Expression that actually means something, not just noise. It's a karmic reset, a spiritual exhale, a chance to come home to yourself after months or years of trying to play a version of you that wasn't actually you. It wasn't actually yours. Set intentions that scare you. Set intentions that cost you the fake shit you've been clinging to. This is the new moon that dares you to actually grow. Get to it. Now, energy themes of the week. Now let's sum it up. Karmic debris is clearing. Okay? Your nervous system might short circuit. Let it. Your relationships are being tested. So honor the truth, not the habit. And the new moon is your shot to start from the soul anew. You don't need to perform. You don't need to be liked. You need to be honest with yourself first. This is Leo energy. Big Leo energy. Big boy, big girl, big ass Leo energy. Big pig Leo energy. But it's not ego. It's embodied, aligned leadership of your own damn life. Now, rising signs. You already know how we do this. We're going to go from Aries, go all the way to Pisces. Alright? Aries risings. Leo new moon activates your creativity, your pleasure, your ability to fucking feel joy again. The Mars South Node thing, that's a karmic lover or toxic attachment getting one last gasp. Cut it off. Okay, cut it off. Taurus rising. The shakeup is at home. Maybe literally, maybe emotionally. The new moon wants you to rebuild your foundation. No more tiptoeing around your own needs. Gemini rising. Moon conjunct Uranus in your sign kicks the door down. Something wild comes through. Okay? Your voice, your mind, your truth. The new moon says, say the scary thing. Okay? Cancer rising. Venus in your sign makes things feel soft. But the Mars-Venus square is shaking up your confidence. Stop mistaking comfort for connection. The new moon helps you rebuild your self-worth from the ground up. Leo rising, big Leo energy. This is it. The new moon in your sign says reset your whole damn identity. Alright? Mercury's still retrograding your sign, so you're revising who you are. It's messy, it's magic. Let it unfold. Okay? Virgo rising. You're in hermit mode, but for a reason. The Mars South Node moment hits your values. Time to release an old pattern around money or self-worth, or around your individuality. The new moon in your spiritual sector, make peace with silence. Okay? Libra rising. The relationship drama is real and karmic. You're clearing soul contracts. Let the tower fall if it's built on bullshit. The new moon activates your community zone. Who do you want to be surrounded by when the dust settles? Scorpio rising. Career clarity comes fast. The new moon is launching a new era of visibility for you. But if your relationship to power or success is toxic, Mars plus the South Node will call it out. Okay? Sag risings. Truth bombs are incoming. The new moon wants you to say what you actually believe, not what's marketable. Venus and Mars, that tension is pulling out of you old stories and into something bolder. Capricorn risings. Your attachments are changing. Money, sex, secrets, it's all raw and real right now. The Leo new moon says, start over with power and presence. No more performing intimacy. Aquarius risings. The new moon is in your relationship zone. That means real love, hey, or real endings. Mars, Venus is poking your values. Are you compromising for connection or holding firm for respect? Pisces risings. Clean out the clutter, physically, emotionally, spiritually. Mercury retrogrades, reworking your daily life. The new moon asks, are your routines making you more alive or more numb? So, this week is a spiritual gym. You're going to sweat, you're going to shake, you might scream, you might cry, but you're going to walk out changed. Okay? This is karmic energy, not some surface level Instagram astrology, TikTok astrology, bull woo woo bullshit. All right? This is soul level, heart rooted. And if you meet it with honesty, you'll fucking fly like an eagle. Catch you in week 5 where Venus softens the edges and Mercury Kazemi delivers a breakthrough you didn't see coming. Until then, feel it all, burn what's false, and set fire to the next version of yourself. Ha. Peace out! I forgot he like